Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Today's project is about home decoration. Look at this. This is an empty bottles decorated with ribbons. Look at this. This is a ribbon decorated with a crystal and fix it into the empty bottles. Look at this. This is the top. This is the body. This ribbons is made from a ribbon design pasta. I have here a pasta. Look at this. This is the pasta that I am using. Look. And it is being painted with a nail polish from the pasta and with a nail polish. And I fix it with some crystal like this. Look. This is a crystal. Look. Fix it one by one. Look at this. And fix it here. Look. So this is now the ready-made pasta painted with a green nail polish and attached with the crystal with the use of the hot glue. And you have to prepare as many as you can for this type. First, you have to paint the pasta and let it dry and fix it with the crystal. This is the crystal, look, and fix it on the top. And when it is ready, collect as many as you can like this and fix it into the empty bottles one by one by using hot glue. Look at this. From this row or from this line, it is about look at this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 pieces each line. So I have here 3 lines, and in the side or in the center 4. So 30 plus 12, so 42 pieces. You have to provide 42 pieces of this pasta painted with nail polish. I'm using the mint color nail polish because the bottle is green. So in order to match the color, so I'm using this mint color or yellow green nail polish. So you have to purchase, or if you have at home a pasta the same design, ribbon design pasta, just color it with nail polish. Any nail polish that you have at home, just recycle your nail polish. And look at this. So that is very easy and very simple and very costless. Just recycle your empty bottles, your pasta, and recycle any nail polish that you have at home, and you can have this unique but beautiful home decoration, and you can display this one in your table as a table centerpiece or in your kitchen. So I hope guys you get an idea on how to recycle your empty bottles and decorate it with the ribbon pasta from your kitchen. So give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will learn different projects from me. And in my channel, I am recycling different waste material and transform into a different unique projects. And in my channel you can find my cooking time. I am cooking different menu, Filipino and European foods, and I'm also posting my travel blogs, and you can find different places in Europe. So thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel, SGM Creations Tutorials, Travels and Lifestyle. Vielen salamat, and bye bye for now, and see you in my next vlog. This one you can also take out this cover and you can put a wire